How to create Google Drive link for photos in mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to create Google Drive link for photo in mobile. To do this, you have to go ahead and open up your Google Drive first of all. So press the new button located right at the bottom. Now go ahead and create one folder. So give a title or a name and click on create. Once you've created the folder, go ahead and open it up. Now press the new button and start uploading the photos or medias that you wish to go ahead and create a link for. So I'm gonna go with this one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add just a single image. You can do with multiple images. Once it is completely loaded, what you need to do is click the three dot icon in the top right, and either you could go ahead and tap on the share button, and then you could go ahead and share it to the people that has access with this particular link, or else you could simply go ahead and create a link by tapping on copy link. Share the link in any other platform, and the receiver will be able to access the photo through a link. So that's how you could go ahead and create Google Drive link for photo. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.